So now, so now in this example, I want to figure out what is 36 divided by 6. But we're going to do a little change up here. Instead of going straight to the calculation, I want you guys to think of for a moment a scenario in which this problem, in which this division could help us resolve a real question that we might have. Okay? So I want you to pause the video now, think of a scenario, and I'm going to write a scenario in a moment, and then we can discuss our scenarios, and then we'll go straight into the division. This is one example I came up with. Carla has 36 priceless gemstones she wants to place on 6 crowns. How many gemstones can she put on each crown? Okay? So that's the same thing as asking if we have 36 items that we want to break up into 6 groups, how many items will be in each group? In this case, we would have to carry out the division. Or alternatively, we could look at it as if we have 36 items and we want to break it into groups of 6, how many groups will there be? Okay, I want you to hear those two statements, and even though they sound different and the idea behind each is kind of different, they are both captured by this division statement. Okay, in this case, Carla has 36 priceless gemstones she wants to place on 6 crowns. How many gemstones can she put on each crown? Okay. Now, if you know your multiplication tables for 6, you can figure out this problem. So let's look at that together. Let's count out our multiplication table by 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. Remember, we're looking for 36. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. So now, when we think about this division problem, 36 divided by 6 is equal to some number that when you multiply by 6, you get 36. So what number times 6 gives you 36? When we just verbally stated the multiplication table for 6, we saw that this one is 6. So the answer is she can put 6. 6 jewels per crown. Okay? Okay? Now, of course, there might be those among you who might say, well, David, she could put 1 on one crown, 2 on the other crown, and so on. But, and of course that's true, but she can put 6 jewels on each crown, and she will have 6 jewels on the 6 crowns, and that will constitute the 36 priceless gemstones that she has to partition. Okay? I hope you've enjoyed this example, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Okay?